It's been a little bit over a month since I have last uploaded a video because a lot of things have happened with my life recently. If you've been keeping up with my channel since the very start, since like my 100 subscribers special to where I am now, y'all know that I am in high school. This week is going to be the end of the 4th week of my senior year in high school, and I have 2 jobs now because I'm kind of struggling at the moment. Not real, I just want to pay my car off real quickly. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but back there is another brand new car. So I don't know if I mentioned the previous car that we had before, but it was a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. My dad just sold that not too long ago, and he just bought this brand new 2023 Mazda CX-30. I don't remember what trim level it is, but it's... I'm literally kind of a legit not a fan of it. I personally told him to go with the Subaru. There's so many things wrong with that Mazda that I'm just not a fan of, like the blind spots. Anyways, that's not my car, it's my dad's car. We're not doing too much in this video today, it's just more like a maintenance vlog, plus my first ever, actually my second ever sponsor on the channel. So before I get into today's video, I'll let y'all update on the STI wing. I actually, ignore the bird poop, I did in fact purchase a brand new STI wing. This is the new STI wing right here. As you can tell, it doesn't bounce and there is no crack at all. So another 550 bucks down the toilet. I still have the original STI wing. If anybody wants to buy it, hit me up. Again, this one does have the crack on it. I'll sell it to you for about like, I don't know, $250. So today we'll be detailing my car. Not really, but we'll be cleaning it to like it to be like nice. So my great friends at shinearmor.com sent me a complimentary bottle of their cleaning supply. And today we're going to be honestly reviewing it. If I can get this damn package open. So I'll be honest, I never really had the proper cleaning supplies to really clean my car. I just been using this bottle that I found in my garage. Or I didn't find, my mom found it. It's probably been there since like I was born. I don't really have the proper like cleaning rag, so I've kind of just been using kitchen towels. And that can damage your paint. They sent me an actual... Thank you. I get to keep all of this, by the way, so... Thank you, I actually really needed this. I was actually about to go out and buy like a proper cleaning rag because I didn't think they would send me one. I'm a very busy man. I work 2 full-time jobs in high school, and I'm in management in one of them, and today's my only day off. Like, I make bank, but like, at what cost? So I was sent 45 Quick Coat Waterless Wash Shine and Protect from Shine Armor, the ultimate ceramic coating formula. Alright, so this is what the bottle looks like. Looks actually pretty professional. Honestly, good job designing it. Alright, so how about this? We are going to shine the mirror because it is kind of dirty. I don't know if you can tell how dirty it is, but it's kind of a bit yucky. Alright, instructions is to first spray the bottle onto the cloth you're going to use to clean the surface. So we're going to be cleaning the mirror. Shit. And then it says to dry it. Wait, hold on. Did y'all see that? No, there ain't no way that cleaned it that well. But damn, hold on, check this out. That actually cleaned it. This is actually like car wash quality. This is like you actually, of course you hand detail it, but that does make a difference. But the actual like material, like
That's actually pretty good though. Hold on,
I'm actually genuinely shocked that this actually cleaned it super well.
I don't know if it's just me or not, but I've never seen my car be like this clean before. Like, it's cleaner than like when I first bought it, and that was like almost a year ago. This actually works. This is actually like pretty good. It surpasses my expectations. Y'all actually gotta buy this, bro. Like, for real, bro. Like, y'all gotta buy this. Like, this is actually pretty cool. Can y'all see that on camera? Like, it actually makes a difference. This generally like makes my car look brand new. Like, all right, so I did not end up cleaning my entire car since it is now nighttime, but I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but see how crusty it is up here? And then if you look down there at the hood, which is what I actually did with like a few squirts, it genuinely looks super shiny and super clean compared to the roof, which is very crusty. It's all nice and smooth, and it's wax. It's wax. It feels waxy, but that's because it's wax. But up here it's all crusty and disgusting because I didn't clean it. But like that is the visual difference that I can see, and it generally makes the car just look so much nicer. Now, unfortunately, due to my extreme work schedule, this is the only time that I can film a video, and today was also very busy for me, so I only had about like an hour to film this video, which is a pretty short amount of time for me. But overall, the Shine Armor detailing product, thumbs up. It gets a thumbs up from me. But for real though, like, it actually works though. It's a good product. It's really good. Really good. I recommend it. Genuinely from the bottom of my heart, I recommend it. Thank you guys so much for sending this out to me. Like, this actually works. I can actually properly clean my car instead of using the water hose and the crusty old kitchen towels that I have at home. So I have my mom holding the camera because we're coming home from our work, but the next video I'll post is going to be in about a month because I'm working so much. But the next video, we're going to be putting a new mod on the car, generally a brand new mod that is really expensive, that it took me quite a long time to purchase. We're going to be purchasing and installing the Tomei Catback Exhaust Extreme TI, whatever the hell it's called. You know, the $1,000 exhaust. And then after we put on the Tomei exhaust, I'm finally going to save up for the anime wrap. So I think this is the first time I'm ever going to say this on the channel, but I said this multiple times before to previous people, that this is going to be a permanent car, but I do plan on purchasing other cars, such as a Honda Civic Type R and even a Hellcat. But the thing is that though, I kind of want this WRX build to be a sleeper build, and I'm really debating on, once I pay off this car and do everything that I want to it, like all the modifications and everything, I'm really debating on purchasing a Hellcat engine and swapping the engine in this car for a Hellcat. So comment down below if you want me guys to do that. That is going to take quite a while to do, maybe upwards of like 10 years to do it, save up all the money, but also the time and labor to install it. But that's been on the back of my mind. So if y'all want to see that happen, you know, make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll think about it.